Hello world, PDR coming at you here with a quick little video to show you guys my tripod setup. I've had a couple of comments, and I always try to stay current with the comment section about, you know, hey, how do you get your heat gun to sit up like that? And it's a pretty cheesy little setup I have, honestly. It's a little tripod that my wife got off of Amazon. I think it's an XIT is the name. It had, you know, this little thing on it. And it had this wire, I don't know, I'm pretty sure this wire mount was part of the deal. We just kind of bent it around, and then I basically just hang my gun in it like that, and I can pretty much move it around. If I need to stabilize it, I can fold this thing over. And then obviously, you know, adjusting the legs up and down, these two little feet in the middle that were like this one broke, you know, and just kept on rigging it back together. It's a good little system, and definitely, sorry about the background noise. Somebody had to fly past on their motorcycle at about 50 miles an hour on a 30-mile-an-hour street. But yeah, I mean, it, whoa, I almost lost it there. I was trying to lower it down a little bit just so you could see it a little bit better. But yeah, we can adjust it to any height pretty much, and any direction. I just use that instead of having to hold it, and then that allows me to keep the heat on the dent, so I can work it while it's hot rather than the old school method that I used to use, which was get it warm and then, you know, make a couple pushes and go back to getting it warm. So I sure do appreciate y'all clicking on this video and checking out my little setup here that I had for my Heatgun tripod setup. And if you would, hit that like on the way out. Otherwise, this has been PDR, and I'm out. Peace.